Hello, everyone. My name is Marcus Varveris. I'm a Research and Innovation Manager at ALCHIMIA ETL Labs. Today, I'll be presenting to you the ALCHIMIA ETL component. First off, what is ETL? ETL is a three-phase data integration process with the following three different steps. The first one is the extract step. This is where data is received from various sources, such as databases, APIs, sensors, or other external sources. Then there's the transform step. This involves converting the extracted data into a suitable format for analysis or use, and it includes different factors such as cleaning, filtering, aggregating the data, and more. Finally, there's the load step. This is where the transport data is loaded into a system such as a database, a data lake, or a data warehouse in order to be used by end users and different applications. Within the ALCHIMIA project, the ETL is a very important component as it stands in between the use cases and the data use partners, which we're applying advanced different models in order to help achieve the overall ALCHIMIA goal of creating a greener and more efficient steel industry in Europe. Over here in this diagram, this very high-level diagram that doesn't go into too many details regarding the technical components, we can see that we've got the three different steps. In the blue box, we've got the data extraction step. In the green box, we've got the data transformation step. And in the red box, we've got the data loading step. In the ALCHIMIA project, we've got two use cases, two different partners that are big within the steel industry in Europe, Celsa and Fonderia di Torbole. Each partner has their own different ways of storing their data and collecting their data. This is very important because in the entire European steel industry, many different factories or in steel manufacturers will have their own respective processes. Based on this, different protocols and applications are used in order to collect the data and take it to the data transformation step. Over here, open source tools such as Python are used to transform the data into the suitable formats to be used by the data users. This could be things such as making sure that all the different temperature readings are standardized to Celsius, or perhaps different factories may be measuring in kilos or tons, and it's important to convert these to one standardized unit in order for the data partners to be able to use the data effectively. After the data has been transformed, it's loaded onto a database. These databases, they are in the format that the respective data users and use case partners will be able to use the data for their respective purposes, whether these are models that are analyzing the different events within the electric arc furnaces, or perhaps looking at the different mixtures of scrap metals used within different processes. This was just a quick overview and a very non-technical overview of what the ETL process is inside the ALCHIMIA project. I hope things are very clear at a high level. And of course, if there are any questions, do not hesitate to approach me during this event. Thank you very much.